Among other things, the co-founder of Microsoft projected that electronic tattoos would replace smartphones as a new sort of technology in the future. Cell phones have been around for so long that it's becoming increasingly impossible to remember what they looked like when they were first introduced. Cell phones are currently at the center of practically the entire technological sector, but this was not always the case, and it does not appear that it will continue to be the case in the foreseeable future. Manufacturers are now attempting to concentrate their efforts on consolidating ecosystems, transitioning to virtual reality, and making their products function on refrigerator screens, among other things. Former Microsoft co-founder and billionaire Bill Gates has emerged as something of a guru of the new realities that humanity is experiencing, and he has predicted a new type of technology that will, among other things, phase out smartphones in the near future. It's not the first time that Gates has taken the risk of making predictions, as he demonstrated when he predicted a new pandemic that would strike humanity. Now the author and lecturer has spoken of an electronic tattoos as a possible future technology. The popularity of tattoos has grown among many individuals, and the next logical step in terms of evolutionary development seemed obvious to technology developers, enhancing tattoos' value beyond its sentimental and aesthetically pleasing aspects. It appears like Chaotic Moon has discovered it, and Bill Gates believes that they have hit the nail on the head. Chaotic Moon is a technology development team that was acquired by Accenture in 2015. The team was founded in 2012. In its 10 years of existence, they were founded in 2010. It has gained the attention of Bill Gates with their electronic tattoos. The company is based in the United States and has been distinguished by putting hazardous designs on the fundraising table in order to raise money. The electronic tattoos proposed by Chaotic Moon exist on the precipice of aesthetic and biotechnological realms. Instead of implanting chips or other components, as is the case with bionics, the tattoos in itself serves as the key to understanding everything. It is an ink that contains nano trackers, which are capable of gathering, receiving, and transmitting data. Within the data that will be stored in this tattoo, there is an initial mention of medical and sports information. It will be possible to prevent and control diseases as well as improve physical and sporting performance through the use of vital signs by using this tattoo to save data. Despite the fact that its developers have already considered its uses in other technology domains, the current concentration is on the medical field. When the presence of fever, certain illnesses, and other changes in our internal physiology are identified, the electronic tattoos should be able to send us a warning. Their sensors would be in charge of doing this, and a notification would be sent to our cell phone as soon as it happened. The same way, they would be able to measure our everyday activities and even store information in our bodies in the form of medical sports. The evolution of these applications might easily lead to tattoos being used to geolocate us or to communicate with other users, thereby alleviating a significant portion of the everyday burden currently placed on the cell phones. Known philanthropist Bill Gates, who now works as an analyst and forecaster of the future, believes that these electronic tattoos would eventually replace smartphones in the near future. He has made significant financial investments in the organization. People will be able to utilize the electronic tattoos produced by Chaotic Moon to make phone calls, send messages, and search up addresses according to Gates' concept, which has previously been featured in the multiple Hollywood phones. Within the data that will be stored in this tattoo, there is an initial mention of the medical and sports information. It will be possible to prevent and control diseases as well as improve physical and sporting performance through the use of the vital signs by using this tattoo to store data. Although the development of this electronic tattoo is still in its early stages, it's known that it will be applied temporarily to the skin and will contain small sensors and trackers that will send and receive information through a special ink that conducts electricity according to reports. However, Bill Gates does not consider the initial implementation of electronic tattoos to be sufficient, as he wishes for this futuristic device to eventually replace today's smartphones. Although it's not yet possible to predict when the electronic tattoo will be available, Gates and his team are exploring ways to use it to replace smartphones as the primary device through which people carry out many of the other tasks they currently do with smartphones. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go.